Hey Lazy, see, there's file, which is there's new, where you can make a new document, right? Well, in that you can go to create. See, in create there's buttons, logos. What's really cool about the logos is that there's a bunch of them, like alien neon, which is pretty cool. You can it makes you already the image makes you already it's a plugin. It's great. Uh, in edit, there's undo history, cut, paste, so on and so forth. But there's a couple other tools like stroke path, which is really important one for a lot of stuff. Here you get use this is making a path, and you can stroke path with it. Say whatever you want, like say 6 or even yet a pattern. And let's say we want dots. You can stroke it. Now all I have to do is just add see a whole bunch of dots. But there's also fill with FG there's foreground and background. Background's white. Foreground's the white color that I've chosen. That's foreground. There's never learned what this was yet. Here you can change the size of the how much you want to see it. I recommend just keeping it at 100%, or even yet, or you can even go down here, change the size. But there's a lot of things like you can change the size of the image just by scale image. Instead of making it a background, you want to make it as let's say avatar for Steam or what is it, TeamSpeak. You can just change the size what you want it, scale, voila, it's resized. Alright, and here in filters there's a lot of different stuff you just want to play with and learn. Like iWarp, it's one of my favorite ones. You can warp the stuff. Like there's move, let's see, grow, shrink, and even yet spiral. But there's quite a bit of stuff. One of my favorites is this. Gotta render clouds, or no, my bad. Yeah, nature, flame. There's this thing that chooses flames, which is pretty cool. Choose a whole different ones like this. It seems like paint somewhat, but there's a lot of stuff you want to go through just to mess around with. Color tools, you can colorize the image. You see it was red before. Now you can mess with it, mess with the colors, saturation, lightness. I recommend keeping it at 0. But there's quite a bit of stuff in this program. You can even zoom in. Like I said, create paths, which is an important one. Text file, and this stuff I really haven't learned all that much. You can make a new layer, right? And say you want to put right up in this corner, but then to make a background, like make it seem like 3D, you can just put something on top of it. All you need to do is move that over. Oh, it's not working. I'm having a little trouble here. Don't know why. But yeah, what you usually can just move it right over. Let's see here. No, I don't know why it's not letting me, but anyway, you can usually do that. Merge down the layer. You can usually right click and just, if you don't like that layer, you can delete and merge it down. You can, it combines it. Like here, instead of having two, you can merge it down. Voila. Freaking, and that's most of what you need to know. But if you ever want to get deeper, I'll search it up and make another tutorial for you. And that's the end of the interface tutorial.